Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering ingredients and following a reliable ratio. 2 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, and 1 cup whole milk for a single serving base. Measure 1/2 tsp salt, 1/4 tsp black pepper, and 1/8 tsp ground nutmeg to season. Adjust to taste. For a richer result, fold in 1/4 cup grated Parmesan or 2 tablespoon heavy cream at the end. Keep all dairy at room temperature to avoid curdling, and have a whisk ready to smooth lumps quickly. Melt 2 tablespoon butter in a saucepan over medium heat, then whisk in 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour to make a blonde roux. Cook about 1 minute to remove raw flour taste. Slowly pour 1 cup warm milk in a steady stream while whisking constantly, which prevents lumps and creates a satin texture. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook 3 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently, until the sauce thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Finish with seasoning and remove from heat to avoid over-thickening. If your sauce comes out too thick, whisk in 1 to 2 tablespoon milk at a time until you reach the desired consistency. Conversely, simmer gently to reduce if it is too thin. For flavor and silkiness, stir in 1/4 cup grated Parmesan or 2 tablespoon heavy cream or a small squeeze of lemon to brighten the sauce just before serving. Serve immediately over hot pasta, and if you must hold it, keep the sauce warm in a double boiler or low oven to prevent a skin from forming and stir occasionally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.